Yeah, just stop it and restart it.
Difficulties and looks, shot on goal. Puck tossed back into the Scots zone for an icing. It's up to the dot. It's up to the dot. We got Winkleman and Baroon D. All right, Scots dump the face-off into the offensive zone. Jameson steps up. Henry B. Shot ripped on net. Shot ripped on by Chatterjee just wide of the net. Drop back to the blue line, pass intercepted. Chatterjee gets a stick on it, beats his man to the wall. Soren steps up. Chatterjee back behind the net. Pass intercepted. Soren's putting good pressure on his man. Chatterjee digs that one out. Pass up to Kanan. Kanan just dumps her in for his line change. Scott's got a hustle here. Henry B just chips it back into the offensive zone. Winkleman beats his man to the puck. Battles his man in the boards. Brennan's down to help dig a puck out. Ooh. Highland gets called for a tripping. Whitehawks go on a power play. Brennan McMahon steps up to the face-off circle. 7:02 left in the first period. Whitehawks win the face-off. Rips a shot in. Billy sees that one all the way. Loreen hangs his guy out, centering pass though. Felix was there. Brennan chips it down. Ooh, Kishel's putting some speed on. Pressures his man. Brennan creates some havoc in the neutral zone, creates a turnover. Takes it deep. He's battling his man. Takes it deep. Brennan's handling two guys on his own. Time's ticking off the clock here. Firehawks enter the offensive zone. Loreen holds his man out. Takes his guy off the puck. 1:08 left in the penalty kill. Loreen throws it. Good clearing pass. Charlie Rust applies pressure. This is an aggressive penalty kill. Chatterjee holds his guy, centering pass. Can't connect, thank goodness. Henry B and Charlie Rust are in the boards battling. Pass trickles back to the blue line. Charlie gets into the neutral. Cross ice pass, doesn't connect. 22 seconds left in the kill. Henry B's holding his guy. Back to the blue line. He's looking. Charlie gets in front of that shot. Chatterjee disrupts, creates a turnover. Back to the blue line though. Whitehawks toss one in. Good kill. Ooh. Henry B disrupts. Ian Wallace to the boards. Looking cross ice. One-timer misconnect. Chatterjee creates turnover. Pass intercepted. Scots are applying good pressure. Chippy shot. Billy comes up with the good save there. Little jibber jabber going on between number 5 and Henry B. Ian Wallace steps up to the circle. Scots win the face-off along the boards. Charlie pushes it into the neutral. Nope. Whitehawks hold the zone. Ian disrupts the centering pass. Applying good pressure. Maroon picks up the loose puck. Billy bats that one out of the air. Stokes created a turnover, but Whitehawks hold the zone. Billy lays an ankle on that one, holds it. 3:50 left in the first period, still 1-1. Whitehawks have 8 shots on net. Highland Park Central has 6. Jacob steps up to the circle. Hawks win the face-off. Shot deflected. Rickson picks it up. Dumps it in. Beats his man. Uh-oh. Into the slot. Weak shot. Billy covers that one up. .326 left in the first period. Pizzega back to the dot. Whitehawks win the face-off, dump it around the corner. Jameson jumps into the neutral. Cale Rickson heads up into the offensive zone. Pressures his man. Pass up to the blue line. Felix gets up there. Rickson keeps it in the neutral. D-to-D pass. Ooh, big hit. Jacob. Lorena heads back behind the boards, chips it back around. Pizzega looking at the half wall. Good pressure by the Scots. Cale lifts it over his man's head into the offensive zone. Rips a shot. Good save by the goalie. Cale gives him a little pat on the head. 2:24 left in the first. Soren steps up. HB comes up with a face-off, and Kanan rips a shot. Soren ties up the face-off. Whitehawks win it, but Scots take over. Dump into the corner by Chatterjee. Up to the blue line. Scots gathered up in the neutral. Little miscommunicated pass, but the Highland heads down. Henry B holds his own. Henry's battling in the neutral, keeping it deep. Little dump into the offensive zone. Cross ice pass. Chatterjee brushes it aside. Henry gets it up to Soren. Soren just tosses it. Icing on that one. Brennan steps up to the face-off. Whitehawks win it. Try to rip a shot, but deflected. Dish back behind the net. Centering pass. Winkleman ties up. Brennan takes the puck. Pickpocket. Hawks hold the zone and get a shot just off net. Minute left in the first. Brennan creates a turnover, heads off into the neutral. Dumps it in. Rightly so. Kishel heads. Gathers it up. Varun holds his zone, rips a shot, deflected. Winkleman holds it and kicks it back into the offensive zone. Charlie holds that in the neutral, but Whitehawks battle for it. Shot floated in. Loreen gathers it up, chips it off the wall into the neutral. Charlie creates a turnover. Walks it in. He's got to battle three guys. Puck chipped out. Evan flips the shot just back behind the net. Loreen's got just half a second.
Shots in the first period. The Scots had 8. The Whitehawks had 10.
Scores all tied up 1-1.
And the Park Scots won. The Whitehawks won.
Pretty evenly matched game here. 10 shots on the Whitehawks, 8 on the Scots. All right, back to the action. Charlie, Ian, Stokes, Loreen, and Felix. Scots come up with the face-off. Turnover in the neutral zone. Centering pass. Billy deflects that one off his head. Mr. Ian Wallace back to the face-off circle. Whitehawks come up with chip a shot in. Billy just brushes that one aside. Stokes takes his man to the board, hits a big hit on. Chips it into the neutral. Ian hustles. Harassing. Scots come up with the puck. Charlie's looking for some space. Looks for Ian. Ian's deep. He's looking. Drops it to Felix. Felix takes it deep. Coughs up the puck. Ian's back on it though. Shot on net. Brushed aside by the goalie. Scots are maintaining possession. Charlie chips it back in. Stokes heads to the boards. Creating some space. Gets double teamed. Charlie's down there. Ties his guy up. Shot flipped into the neutral. Felix gets called for tripping or a hook. All right, Jacob steps up to the circle. Scots win the face-off, kick it around. Rickson gets past his guy. One-on-one. Rips a shot just right of the net. Step up. Chatterjee throws it from the neutral into the offensive zone. Rickson creates a turnover, centering pass. Pizzega can't settle that one down. Rickson's back there. Shot flipped into the neutral zone. Chatterjee gathers a puck up. Rickson tosses it in for a line change. Minute 17 left in the penalty kill. Cross ice pass disrupted. Chatterjee gets to the puck first, throws it down. Whitehawks head up the ice. Soren takes his guy off the puck. Jameson picks his stick up. Stretch pass. Chatterjee throws it back into the zone. 33 seconds left in the kill. Stretch pass connected. Soren holds his guy deep. Applies pressure. Creates a turnover. Whitehawks hold the zone. Ooh. Centering pass disrupted by Jameson. Chatterjee's holding his guy, taking time off the clock. Scott's back to full strength. Blue line to blue line. Flipped it in. Chatterjee bumps his guy off, but they hold the zone. Centering pass. Billy sees that one. Backhander with not a lot of pepper on it. Ooh. Billy gobbles that one up. All right, Brennan steps up to the circle. Scots win the face-off. Lorene kicks it back behind the net. Felix is there. Tosses it up to, can't remember. Lorene chips it into the neutral. Scots hold him out, push him back into the neutral. Felix is looking to get it through. Brennan throws it into the offensive zone. 10:20 left in the second period. Brennan creates a turnover. Kishel applies some pressure. Lorene holds the zone. Whitehawks gather the puck back up, but Brennan's there to disrupt. Oh, shit. Brennan takes a big hit in the boards. Brennan's back up on his feet. Just a little knock to the noggin there. All right, 9:52 left in the second period. Ian Wallace steps up to take the face-off. Tied up, Scots win the face-off. Whitehawks take over though. Good pressure. Kept him out of the slot. Varun skates hard, tries to get it up to the half wall. Stokes battles his man, puts some speed on. Holds it, drops it back to the blue line. Stokes still in possession, taking on three guys. Charlie comes to help dig it out. Little battle to neutral. Charlie comes up with it, rips it shot on. Rickson ties things up in the neutral. Oop, off to the races. Looks for a centering pass, can't get through, defended well. Back to the blue line. Henry B holds his guy off. Winkleman takes over. Chips it up to Charlie, can't connect. Whitehawks toss it up to the half wall. Chatterjee beats his man. Henry tosses it in the neutral. Jameson kicks it into the offensive zone. Jameson applies some pressure, gets in there, gets a big hit. Whitehawks head into the offensive zone. Chatterjee holds his guy off, just dumps it in. Beats his guy to the boards. Pizega's down there. Chatterjee gets it up to the half wall, shakes his man, but gets disrupted. Henry's there to help out. Kale just chips it into the offensive zone for a line change. Soren's there, walks his guy. Gets taken off the play, but tries to apply some pressure. Stretch pass, connect. Varun holds his guy out. Henry trying to settle that one down. Rickson bunts it out of the air. Swinging bunt. Stretch pass is chipped into the offensive zone. Felix beats his man. Centering pass. Jameson gets it into the neutral. Gets rubbed off the plate. Highland applies good pressure. Oh! Varun's there to help out. Up to Kale. Kale can't settle that one down. Varun rubs his guy off the play. Scots come up with it. Kanan's off to the races. He's got two guys to beat, just rips one in. Lorene holds his zone. Gets pickpocketed though. Felix just chips it back in. Varun battles his man, creates a turnover, but gets pushed deep into the offensive zone. Felix is looking for some space to get out. Lorene's down there to help. Back to the blue line. Pass, shot, deflected by Felix. Felix has those big shin pads. Pass chipped in on net. Billy thinks about it, settles it down. 5:24 left in the second period, still 1-1. Wallace at the circle. Wallace picks it up. Wallace hits the brakes. Billy had to gather up a deflected pass. Wallace back to the circle. Scots come up with it. Chatterjee dishes it around. Charlie's pushes it into the neutral. Ian heads up, rips a shot. Good glove save by the goalie. Came up on him quick and hot. Wallace back to the circle. Pushes it in deep. Back to the blue line. Winkleman chips it back in. Wallace took a decent hit. Back to the blue line. Flip back in. Charlie heads to the boards. Charlie takes it back into the Scott zone. Mishandles it. Chatterjee creates a turnover. Can't quite get rid of the puck though. Chatterjee picks it out of the crowd and heads down into the offensive zone. Passes it to Charlie. Charlie's looking, drops it to Stokes. Stokes rips one through. Charlie's there to collect the rebound. Stokes kicks it back behind the net. Pass gets through to Henry. Henry kicks it into the neutral zone, up into the offensive zone. Stretch pass doesn't connect. We get called for an icing. 3:42 left in the second period, still 1-1. Tight game, good offense, good defense. Jacob steps up to the circle. Scots come up with the puck. Centering pass to Jameson. Back to the blue line. Henry settles it down. Tries to chip a pass through, but creates a turnover. Pressured in the neutral. Felix gets upended, but he's all right. He's battling on the ice level. Scots are getting called for a penalty. Or no. Billy comes up with a good glove save. Call him for that! Little extracurricular activity. It's going to be offsetting penalties. And they're going to let them skate 4 on, nope, 5 on. Do the math once they do the line change here. 5 on 5. All right, Soren steps to the circle. We got 3:04 left in the second period. Whitehawks win the face-off. Flips a shot on Billy. Billy saw it. Little battle in the corner. Good pressure by the Scots. Kanan chips it in the neutral. Can't get past his guys. Takes him deep though. Soren creates a turnover. Winkleman flips it back into this offensive zone. Scots hold the zone. Soren's battling in the boards here. A little bit of a wrestling match. Whitehawks walk it in. Centering pass. Billy saw it. Blocker save. Kanan just chips it into the neutral. Blue line to blue line pass. Dumped into the Scott zone. Billy settles it down for Quinn. Quinn's looking for some space up along the wall. Puts the Jets on, but just chips it in on net. Scott's come up. Oop, Kishel's down. Scots play good pressure. Lorene settles it down. Throws it along the half wall a little too hard. Lorene clears the slot. Cross ice pass to Kishel. Kishel gets it, chips it through, rips a shot. Chatterjay's looking for something. Another rip shot. Scots can't hold the zone. Somebody, nothing. Julian and number 34 shake hands after that kerfuffle. Faceoff comes out of the zone. Ian steps up to the circle. .51 seconds left in the second period. Ian wins the face-off, kicks her deep into the zone. Chatterjay chips it in the neutral. Ian and Stokes head down. Ian pressures his man. Stokes keeps it deep. Charlie back behind the net. Wallace steps up to the half wall, drops it back to the blue line. Scott's got a tag up. Stokes dishes it. Billy saw that one. Chatterjay heads to the corner, chips up to the half wall. Whitehawks hold the zone. After two periods, 1-1, shots on goal, Whitehawks 17, Highland 15. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, back to the action. 15 minutes left of hockey here. Still tied up 1-1. See if Highland can start creating some quality offensive shots. All right, Stokes, Wallace, Rust, Chatterjee, and Winkleman. Whitehawks come up with the puck. Send it in the Scots zone. Winkleman settles things down. Cross ice pass Chatterjee. Chatterjee's trying to get past his man. Centering pass just off the backhand. Stokes applies some pressure. Chatterjee's down there, creates a turnover. Little miscommunication there, but Chatterjee's there to gather up the puck. Stokes carries it into the neutral zone. Whitehawks come up with the puck. Rips a shot on Billy. Billy looks like a catcher. Jacob steps up to the face-off circle. Scots come up with the face-off, but they got to battle for it. Felix tosses it around into the neutral. Jameson applies some pressure. Good pressure, he's holding him deep. Almost creates a turnover. Shot ripped, but deflected off some bodies. Rickson tosses it back to the blue line. Shot tossed in. Jameson tosses that one out. Can't quite connect with Kale. Icing is the call. Soren takes the face off. Hawks come up with it. Shot tossed in on net, deflected. Soren heads up into the neutral. Cannon disrupts the pass. Keeps the puck deep. Checks his man. Scots come up with it. Will gets rubbed off the play. Back to the blue line. Plenty of pressure. Soren takes his guy off the plate. Little miscommunication there. Created a turnover. Hawks get tied up between three Scots players. Puck trickles into the neutral. Winkleman settles things down, sends it up to Kanan. Kanan tries to flip it into the offensive zone. Bruins got to apply some pressure. Loreen steps up, puts a check on his man. Kishel chips it back behind the net. Winkleman's there to gather it up. Toss back behind. Kanan looks to just dump it into the neutral. Neutral ice pass is picked up by the Scots, and Winkleman shoots it at the backup goalie. Loreen's moved back to a center. Scots come up with the face-off. Henry B kicks it in the neutral, but can't quite get it. Billy faces a rip and kicks it up into the net. Lorene takes the face off with 11:46 left in the third. Scots come up with it. Chatterjee kicks it up around. Kishel can't quite catch that one. Icing is the call. Wallace steps up to the circle. Scots win the face-off. Henry tosses it around the corner. Charlie beats his man. Cross-ice pass to Stokes. Stokes takes it deep into the offensive zone, drops it to Ian. Chippy. Henry grabs it at the blue line. Flips it up to Charlie. Into the neutral they go. Chatterjee just tries to keep it in the neutral zone. Wallace steps up. He's got Charlie to his right. They rip the shot high and wide. Charlie to the boards. Ian to the boards. Highland comes up with it. Charlie's looking for the wraparound. Can't get through his man. Takes her down the boards. Rips a shot. Henry B. can't quite hold his zone. Good battle in the slot there. Charlie's trying to walk his guy, gets a pass up to Kale. Kale takes it deep. Kale rips it. Baroon gathers things up in the neutral. Chips it back to Jacob. Jacob drops it to Felix. Felix back up to Jacob. Jamison rips her in the offensive zone. Rickson heads to the corner. Pizzega can't hold on to that one. Oop. Varun got walked, but he recovered. Jacob creates a turnover. Felix can't walk his guy. A little sloppiness in the slot there. Billy lets that one sneak through. Whitehawks go up 2-1 with 9:34 left in the third period. Soren steps up to the circle. Kanan battles his man, and Scots dump it into the offensive zone. Soren tries a center pass. Yeah! Kanan doing double duty, battling, gets a shot up high. Scots tie it up 2-2. Quick answer. Nice to see. Play aggressive. Good things happen. Soren back to the circle. Westhawks come up with the puck. Chatterjee keeps his guy deep. Does get a shot off. Billy just bats it aside. Kanan's back off to the races. Tries to get through his guy. Soren's down there to help him out. Whitehawks come up with the puck. Chatterjee holds his guy out. Centering pass. Doesn't get through. Kanan gets another opportunity. Centering pass gets stolen. Whitehawks back on the offensive attack. Winkleman holds his guy out for a misdirected shot. Winkleman takes it deep. Heads off for his line. Nope, he stays on. Good choice, good choice. Loreen picks that puck off, mishandles. Kishel dumps it. Back to the blue line they go. Loreen tries to apply some pressure. Holds his man to get offsides call. Loreen heads to the circle. Scots come up with it. Felix heads to the boards. Kishel's there to help out. Bodies go down. Kishel's battling. Felix is still stuck on the ice there. Puck trickles out. Loreen flips it into the neutral. Julian gets tangled up with his man. Whitehawks head to the neutral zone. Felix takes his guy off his play. Wallace gets taken down. Battling. The refs are letting this turn into a wrestling match. Hawks get called for a roughing penalty. Jeez. Scots go on a 2-minute power play with 6:37 left in this third period. Score still all tied up 2-2. Jacob steps up to the circle. Jacob ties up the face-off, but the Hawks gain possession. Scots hold his own. Chatterjee is looking for something, rips it back around. Stokes had to grab the puck. Tries to shake his guy. Puck's chipped, but Quinn settles things down. All right, Scots head into the offensive zone. Charlie gets past his man, rips a shot, just wide. Charlie settles things down. He's got a lane. Pass deflected. Chatterjee ties his guy up. Centering pass is intercepted by Winkleman. Charlie just tips it into the offensive zone. Winkleman, oh, he had that on the line. Flips it in. Chatterjee intercepts the puck in the neutral zone. Winkleman heads down in the offensive zone. Gets through. Chatterjee. Good rip there, Will. .5:18 left in the clock. 40 seconds on the power play. Scots come up with the face-off. Centering pass is intercepted. Whitehawks just tossed it into the Scott zone. A little sleepy on that one. Felix comes up with it. Felix takes it into the slot. Takes it into the boards. doing all the work by himself. Oh, almost gets one through. Ian settles things down. Drops it back to Felix. Felix couldn't quite get all of that one. Billy just plays the puck. Slows things down. Whitehawks back to full strength. Soren steps up to take the face off. Scots come up with it. Winkleman rips it around the boards. Pass up to Soren. Soren chips into the neutral. Hawks toss it back into the Scott zone. Quinn's there to chip it around to Henry. Henry gets it up to the half wall. Soren gets it up into the neutral. Soren gets past his guy. Scots hold the zone. Flips it in. Kanan keeps it back to the blue line. Flips one through. Henry floats a shot in on net. Goalie comes up with the glove save. Soren back to the circle. Ties it up. Kanan can't hold it. Hawks come down. Gets past his guy, but Scott's defense holds it out. Soren battles along the boards. Henry B gathers it up. Kicks it up to the blue line. Hawks do hold the zone, but they create a turnover. Soren's off to the races. I think there's a little too much snow on the ice. It slowed the puck up. Soren wasn't prepared for that. Did his best, though. .320 left. Lorene takes the face-off. Scots come up with it, rips it through. Varun holds the zone, but the Hawks come up with it. We got numbers here. Shot ripped high and wide. Lorene applies some pressure. Up into the neutral. Kisho applies some pressure. Takes his guy off the puck. And gets called for a hook. I saw no hook. All right. 2:51 left. 2 minutes to kill. Wallace to the dot. Scots come up with the face-off. Nope. Hawks create a turnover. Ripped a shot. A lot of bodies down there. Slots defended well. Stokes tries to shake his guy. Wallace comes up with it into the neutral. Wallace heads down. Works hard. Takes some time off the clock. Varun settles things down. Just chips it back into the Whitehawks zone. 2:12 left in the period. Wallace applies some pressure. Chatterjee finishes it up. Another clearing pass. 1:04 left in the penalty kill. Stretch pass. Henry disrupts. Felix battles. Holds his guy out for a weak backhand. Russ battles in the board, comes up with it. 34 seconds left in the penalty kill. Ooh, bad turnover in the slot, though. A lot of hard work happening in the slot. Offsides. 15 seconds left in the penalty kill. Rickson steps up to the circle. Holds it in the neutral. Jayhawks under the zone. Whitehawks. Hawks looking for the wraparound. Rickson steps up. Kicks it in the neutral. Puts some speed on. Hawks back into the neutral zone. Winkleman's there. Tosses it around. Scots back on full strength. 34 seconds left in the period. Battle along the half wall. Chatterjee gets it up to the half wall. Stretch pass to Jameson. Come on, Jamo. Jamo takes it deep. It's got Rickson in the slot. Centering pass. Chatterjee floats one through. Good hit on the boards. Time expires. Not sure how this is going to.
5 minutes sudden death overtime.
5 minutes sudden death overtime.
Shots in the third period is not. Had 6. Shots in the third period. The Scots had 6 for a 3 period total of 21. Your Whitehawks had 5 for a 3 period total of 22. Your score at the 3/3 play, Highland Park Central Scots 2, your Whitehawks 2.
Anybody check the farmers out?
All right, back for sudden death. Soren steps up to the circle. Hawks come up with it. Oh. That's it. I'm not going to.